Hello my friends, welcome to the 285th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. One of my subscribers a while back requested if I make a fruit pizza, so that's what I'm going to make. We're going to make a summer berry pizza. And my friends, this recipe is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of berry goodness, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make, and this would be great and fun to make with your kids. And this would be the ultimate dessert to serve for your 4th of July party. Your guests would go crazy over this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my no-bake summer berry fruit lasagna, macaroni salad, potato salad, and baked beans recipe. I also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your cookie dough and your berry sugar because we're about to bake some summer berry pizza magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, I have my pizza pan and I sprayed it with some cooking spray. So now we're going to put the cookie dough right on top. Alright my friends, I got my cookie dough onto my pan and I'm using my homemade sugar cookie dough recipe. I did a video on that. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box, or you can use the store-bought sugar cookie dough. So now we're ready to bake it. We're going to bake it in the preheated 350-degree oven and we're going to let it bake for about 16 to 20 minutes until it's golden brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells wonderful up in this kitchen. I love the smell of freshly baked sugar cookie. Alright, I have taken it out of the oven, so now we're going to let this cool completely for 30 minutes. And while that's cooling, we can get started on our cream cheese filling. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 8-ounce carton of cream cheese spread that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to add in 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to cream all this together until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, the cream cheese filling is done. Now we're ready to spread it over our cool cookie dough. Alright my friends, I got the cream cheese filling on top of the cookie dough. And I have my fresh berries. I'm using strawberries and blueberries. And we're going to put them right on top. Alright my friends, I got my berries on top of the pizza. Look how gorgeous and patriotic that looks. Alright, that was great. So now I have a 1/2 cup of melted strawberry preserves. I'm just going to brush them on top to give it a little shine. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish brushing this and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through brushing the pizza. So now we're going to pop it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 1 hour. Alright my friends, there you have it. Summer berry fruit pizza. Doesn't that look festive? Alright, I'm about to cut me up a slice and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. The cookie dough crust is soft. I love that cream cheese filling. This is incredible and refreshing. This deserves another bite. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, and I want to wish all of you a happy 4th of July. Much love.